Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so in this video I am going to be showing you guys how to replace the Delco relay 1997258. I've actually been researching this on Google and I literally cannot find anything about it, but I ended up posting it on a Chevy page on Facebook, and somebody said that it was actually the relay for the EGR. So yeah, anyway, it goes on the passenger side of the intake manifold on a 5.7 Vortec 350 V8 from 96. I don't know if the TBI engines will have this or not, but yeah, only reason why I'm replacing mine is because right here where it actually bolts down to the intake manifold at, it's actually broke. So you can actually just go ahead and pull this up just like that. You see how it's broke down in there. So yeah, only thing you'll need is a deep well 10 mil, or if you have one like this, just barely put the socket on like that, and then you can take it off. So just drop the socket right there on that, and then you can ever so slightly turn this. There you go. Ever so slightly. I meant to say you can put it on barely, but yeah, I'll try to get you guys a better shot at this. See, it's barely on there, and then just loosen these bolts up, and then once you get those all the way loosened up, then you can go ahead and put the new one in. So what? I mean, there's not really much I can do. There's a car behind it. I have no idea. Yep. She wants to fuck me. Man, some days, these people want some shit. Look, she asked me if I can back my truck a little bit because she can't see coming down here, bro. Like, I mean, bro, you can clearly just... She pulled out all the way out into the middle of the freaking road just so that way she can look down, bro. I have this problem all the time. Only thing you gotta do is just sit there for a minute, like 30 seconds, bro. Ain't no cars coming, you good to go. I do that every single day. But she gonna ask me if I could back my truck up. Like, I got a car behind me, dude. I can't back it up. It's just gonna make it worse. Anyway, these people, man, some days they're nice to you, like, hey man, you a mechanic, can you fix my car, can you do this, can you do that? And then the next day they're like, can you fucking do this, can you do that, can you get that shit out of my way? Little mama, you better be quiet. Better be quiet. Alright, so I didn't show it because I was rambling on, but this is the little harness that plugs into, and then this little hose right here, it actually plugs into this right here. Right there. I don't know what the hell any of this crap is, but this has a piece that goes all the way over to the passenger or the driver's side valve cover. Alright, y'all, and installation is just the reverse of putting it in. So start by plugging in the little tube right there, and then just push down on this little piece right here. Actually plugs into the intake manifold itself. So you gotta push that down, and then you just thread in your bolts and you're good to go after that, after you plug in the harness. But yeah, that thing looks freaking good on there. I cleaned it up before I put it on. Alright, now the only thing you gotta do is just go ahead and spin that mug around and push that mug in there. So like I said, I don't know what this is. It's a Delco relay, and it plugs into the passenger side of the intake manifold on a 5.7, and then it has this hose that comes out the bottom, goes all the way into this little relay right here, and this one also has a vent hose, and then this hose right here goes all the way over to the passenger side valve cover, or the freaking driver's side valve cover, and it plugs in right there. So that's for like PVC or something like that. I don't know. I need to replace that as well. But yeah, if any of you guys know what that is, definitely let me know down in the comments, because you can't find anything on the freaking internet. It's the same part number, 258 Delco relay. So a lot of people would throw these away, but I'm gonna keep this just in case that one fails for whatever reason. You know, I still have a broken one that I can put back in there if I need to. But yeah, that's how you replace a freaking Delco relay on your 5.7 Chevy. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.